Hello guys, in this particular video we'll be discussing another quick topic inside sets called Frozenset inside Python. So what is Frozenset? I will tell you. So let's go to our code editor first of all, then I will give you the example there. So guys, you can see Frozenset is nothing but Frozenset is just an immutable version of a Python set object. Like we have seen, like set is a mutable, okay, mutable object inside Python. It's a mutable data type. We can add elements there, we can delete elements there, okay, inside the sets. But a Frozenset is the opposite of it, like the list and tuple we have learned. List and tuples both are same only, but list is a mutable and tuple is immutable. Okay, so similar wise, sets is a mutable and Frozenset is a immutable. So inside Frozenset, you can't add any kinds of element, you can't delete any kinds of element. Apart from that, you can perform everything. You can perform all the operations we have learned inside sets, like the intersection, union. Then we have seen the difference, okay, then semantic difference, everything it can be performed there, right? So let me show you how we can create this particular Frozenset. So guys, to create this particular Frozenset, what you can use a function called Frozenset. Let me show you. Let's say this is my Frozenset. Let's say I will create two sets here. So there is a function called Frozenset. Okay, so this is the function Frozenset. Inside that, you have to give one list. Okay, you have to give one list of number. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's say this is my number. Now you can ask me, should I only perform list, or I can give any kinds of, let's say, data type here. You can give any kinds of data type. You can give tuple here, it will also work. You can give a list here, it will also work. Okay, both can be work here, no need to worry. So here I've given list of the number. Okay, now if I print this particular Frozenset, you will see that it's telling fs is not okay, so it should be fs1. Now see, this is my Frozenset. So the type of this particular object is also Frozenset. Let me show you the type. So if I just print the type of this particular fs1, you'll see that it's a Frozenset object. Fine. So we have successfully created this particular Frozenset. Now let me create another Frozenset. I'll copy and here I can paste. Now here I can take, let's say 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Now I can print both of them. Fine. So this two is my Frozenset. Now you can perform all the operations we have learned. I think you remember, like union, intersection, anything you can perform. Let me show you some of the example. Let's see, if I want to perform the union operations, what I can do, I can call this particular fs1 union of fs2. Okay, fs2. Now see, it will give you that particular output. That means the unique item. You can see unique item, it will give you 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 and 6. Okay, fine. I can also perform intersection. So how to perform intersection, I think you know, you need to use this particular and signs. Okay, now if I execute, it will give you the intersection of it. That means whatever operations you have learned, okay, whatever operations you have learned, you can apply anything on top of this particular Frozenset. Only the things you can't do, that changes. Okay, like you can't add any kinds of value, you can't delete any kinds of value, okay, from this particular Frozenset. It's not possible. Now you can ask me when to use this particular Frozenset. Okay, what is the use of this particular Frozenset? Let's say sometimes you want to create an application with the help of sets. Okay, set data structure. So inside that particular application, you don't want to change something. Okay, it would be fixed. Okay, you don't want to change something. That time you can use this particular Frozenset. But if you want to create any application, you want to change something in that particular application, you want to add something in that particular application, that time you can use only the simple set. Okay, that is the difference only you can do, like the list and tuple. Okay, we have learned. Now you can ask me, can I create a two-dimensional Frozenset? Is possible? Two-dimensional Frozenset? Yes, it is also possible. We can also create two-dimensional Frozenset. Okay, let me show you how to create the two-dimensional Frozenset. So for this, you can use this particular syntax. You can see I've defined a Frozenset. Inside that, I have added some element 1, 2, and again I have defined another Frozenset. Okay, again I have defined another Frozenset. You can see. So why I'm able to set this particular Frozenset? Because it's a immutable. Okay, that's why I can destroy any kinds of immutable data type inside a set. Okay, I already proven. Okay, I think in my set class, I think you remember. If I execute, see. This particular Frozenset will be created, and this is a two-dimensional Frozenset. Okay, so this is a quick concept inside set and inside Python. I just wanted to let you know, because most of the time you'll see programmer will use this particular concept, and if you don't know that, definitely you will get a confused. Okay, what is the thing they're using exactly? So yes, this is all about from this particular video. Thanks for watching.